All right, we have the system. We're working on system of equations, and we have the two methods. We have the substitution method and the elimination method. We're gonna go with the easiest to the hardest. Well, if you want to call it that. This is the easiest. Substitution method is the easiest. One equation is already solved for a variable, for the variable y. So you directly substitute 2x minus 1 in the second equation. So let's look at the second equation. 3x plus y equals 11. So let's write it out over here. 3x plus y equals 11. Now the y, they gave us the y up here. So in the substitution method, we'll simply substitute, like it said, substitute the y in the second equation. So we'll rewrite the second equation to say 3x plus, and now instead of y, we'll say 2x plus 1 equals 11. All right. And there are, we can't combine it. There are no like terms inside the parentheses. So therefore we don't need to, there's no computation inside the parentheses. So we can remove the parentheses. Now we can remove the parentheses and then just go straight ahead. So we have like terms. We have the 3x and the 2x, and we can combine those. We can combine those. 3x plus 2x, 3 cheeseburgers plus 2 cheeseburgers would make 5 cheeseburgers. And then bring down what's left. We still have the positive 1, and then we have the equals 11. Right? And now we have we substituted for the y, and now we can solve for x. And so we use our basic middle school algebra. We're going to solve it backwards. Whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. We take away 1 on one side, we eliminate that. 11 minus 1 is 10. And then we bring down what's left. Now we have 5x plus 10. 5x means 5 times x, so we're going to do the opposite. Instead of multiplying 5, we're going to divide 5, and whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times x is x. And 10 divided by 5 equals 2. And we have just solved for x because they gave us the variable y. Okay, now you're saying to yourself, well, okay, we solved for x, but what does y equal? Well, we know x equals 2, so let's apply x to the first equation. Let's draw a nice little line over here, and let's apply it to the first equation. So the first equation says y equals 2x plus 1. Y equals 2x plus 1. Well, we know x equals 2. So once again, we can use the substitution method. So instead of 2 times x, we can say 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And so therefore y equals 5. Now let's look at the elimination method. In the elimination method, you're simply going to treat it like a linear equation where you just combine the terms one above each other. So over here you have 2x and positive 2x and positive 2x. So they will combine to make 4x. And here you have negative 3y and positive 3y, and they eliminate each other. You have 3 cheeseburgers, you take away 3 cheeseburgers, you're left with no cheeseburgers at all, right? And then of course, you have 12 and 4. 12 plus 4 makes 16. Then you do your simple middle school algebra. 4x means 4 times x, so you're going to do the opposite of multiplication and divide. And whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times x is x. And then 16 divided by 4 is 4. So x equals 4.